Alright, so I'm here in Lisa's room with Ronnie.
Again.
Again. And his snores are scaring the shit out of me.
This is unnatural, man. Like, I don't know how in the hell anybody can make that fucking noise.
Let me get close. Let me get close to this bottle. Come on. Come on, give me some more. I want some more. A lot of wood. Thank God.